Are you looking for a quick way to relax and find peace? Welcome to this journey into mindfulness meditation, a practice rooted in ancient wisdom, yet perfectly suited to our busy modern lives. Mindfulness meditation is a simple, yet profound way to calm the mind, relax the body, and cultivate a deep sense of inner peace. Imagine a place where you can let go of the day's stresses, clear away the clutter of incessant thoughts, and truly be present. That is the essence of mindfulness. And the beauty of this practice is that it's accessible to all. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of meditation, or you're a seasoned yogi seeking to deepen your practice, mindfulness meditation offers a pathway to tranquility. So let's embark on this journey together. Whether you're new to meditation or an experienced practitioner, this session is designed to bring you into the present moment and cultivate a sense of peace. Find a comfortable sitting position, either on a chair or on the floor. Seek a spot where you can maintain a sense of balance and stability. Straighten your spine, but avoid stiffness. Let your hands rest gently on your lap. This posture will facilitate a smooth flow of energy as we delve into the meditation. Now gently close your eyes. This simple act signals to your body that it's time to shift gears from the hustle and bustle of daily life to the tranquility of meditation. Take a deep mindful breath through your nose, feeling your lungs expand fully. This breath is not just air, it's life entering your body. Now exhale slowly through your mouth. As you do so, imagine any tension, stress, or negative energy you might be holding on to leaving your body with that breath. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding on to. Now, bring your attention to the sensation of your breath. Feel the air as it moves in and out of your nostrils. Is it cool? Is it warm? Maybe you can even detect a subtle scent. Just notice these sensations without trying to change anything. Now shift your focus to the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen as you breathe. Can you feel the rhythmic dance of life within you, like the ebb and flow of ocean waves? As you continue to breathe naturally, let your attention rest on the pauses between your inhalations and exhalations. These quiet moments hold a unique calmness, a stillness that's both nurturing and restorative. If your mind begins to wander, that's perfectly okay. It's part of the human condition. Simply notice the meandering of your thoughts and gently guide your attention back to your breath, without any judgment. Don't try to change your breath. Simply observe it exactly as it is. Each breath is a testament to the present moment, a reminder of the here and now. And in this moment, you are okay, you are enough just as you are. As you settle into this practice, it's natural for your mind to wander. Just like a curious child, our minds are easily drawn to new stimuli, tugged away from the present moment by a sudden sound, a passing thought, or a distant memory. This is completely normal, and it's part of the meditation journey. When this happens, there's no need to judge or chastise yourself. Instead, acknowledge the distraction with kindness, like a gentle nod to a passing friend. Then, with the same ease and grace, bring your attention back to the breath. Like an anchor in the midst of a storm, your breath is a constant, a touchstone that brings you back to the present moment. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Embrace every breath as an invitation to return to the here and now. Simply notice and bring your focus back to the breath. As this meditation comes to an end, take a moment to notice how you feel. Allow your awareness to scan through your body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, the heartbeat that sings the song of your life. Notice the tranquility that has washed over you. It's a serene lake, calm and still, reflecting the sky above. You've cultivated this peace within yourself, and it's always accessible, waiting for your return. Now let's gently return to the world around us. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you. Hear the sounds around you, the symphony of life playing its endless tune. Slowly begin to move your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. You're back, but you're not the same. You've brought a piece of that serene lake with you. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May you carry this sense of calm and presence with you throughout your day, and may it light up every moment of your life.